First, confirm your Hisense TV is Android TV based, not Vita. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, at least 10 Mbps recommended. From your TV's home screen, go to Apps, then Google Play Store. Search for Xfinity Stream and select the official app by Comcast. Tap Install. Once installed, launch the app to begin the sign-in process. Note, this method works for most Hisense Android TVs, especially models from 2022 onward. Older models, particularly Roku-based ones, won't support it directly. After installing, open the Xfinity Stream app. Enter your Xfinity ID and password. A verification code will be sent to your email or phone. Enter it to complete the sign-in. If you encounter issues like error messages, try clearing the app cache in your TV settings. If persistent problems occur, a factory reset might be necessary, though it's a last resort. Remember, you need an active Xfinity TV subscription, X1 or Flex plans, to use the app. Also consider enabling two-factor authentication for enhanced security. For unsupported Hisense models, casting from a phone or using a Fire TV stick are viable alternatives.